You are all welcome back to Absolute GA channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make hair pomade or hair food. Let's go over the ingredients. Its quantity will follow as and when I use it during preparation. So please make sure you watch to the end so that you know all the quantity of the ingredients that I used. Now to the ingredients.
Petroleum jelly or Vaseline, menthol crystal or puho. This is camphor. This is stearic acid, neem powder, petroleum oil or white oil. This is white oil or paraffin oil. This is glycerin, vitamin E, shea butter, and then lanolin. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use to prepare it. First, I will put in my shea butter into my oil and then add the rest of the ingredients to it. So stay tuned and watch to the end. I already have my saucepan on fire. It is preheated. Make sure that you don't have any water in the saucepan. So I will add my shea butter. So after adding the shea butter, the stearic acid always goes with the shea butter to make it melt. If you you can melt the stearic acid first, but sometimes if you are not careful and the fire is a little too much, it will burn or give some fumes. So you normally add it to your shea butter and then melt. You can speed up the preparation by stirring it or just allow it on fire for it to melt by itself. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also give a thumbs up. And
Now to the importance of lanolin to the hair. It enhances moisture retention, resulting in softer, smoother hair, and it slows and prevents water loss.
I will go ahead and add my petroleum jelly to it. It has to be on low heat to prevent it from burning.
Now let's see the benefits of neem powder to the hair. It helps strengthen the hair from its roots. It helps to reduce hair loss and prevent hair thinning. It can help you get rid of every hair problem. It helps treat dandruff and itchy scalps. It prevents premature graying, promotes hair growth, and it also hydrates dry ends.
Now that my shea butter and then my glycerin, my petroleum jelly has melted, I will then add in the lanolin.
Now let's look at what chebe powder does to the hair. Chebe powder helps to nourish and hydrate the hair, which prevents the hair from breaking. It also helps the hair to be thicker and fuller.
So after adding the lanolin, I will add my herbs to it. You can combine any herbs of your choice. I have a chebe powder and the neem powder. Sorry, I just added the paraffin oil. I forgot to on the camera. So I've already added the paraffin oil or white oil or mineral oil to it. So I'll also off the fire. So I will allow it to settle, cool down a little, then I will go ahead and add my perfume, glycerin, camphor, and then menthol crystal, and then also vitamin E. I'm going to add my camphor to it. After adding the camphor, I'm going to add the menthol crystal. Next, I'm going to add the glycerin and then vitamin E to it, and then stir. So the final ingredient that I will add will be my perfume. You can add color if you want, but I will leave mine this way because I don't want any artificial color in my pomade. It has cooled down a little, not too cold. Go ahead, now that it has cooled down a little, I'll go ahead and add my perfume to it. All the quantity will be on the screen as I add it. So with this, I will take it from the fire. I've already offed it, but I will take it from, because this, then even if you've off it, there's still heat in it. So I will take it off and then allow it to cool down a little before I pour it into my containers.
The question here is, why stearic acid and not wax? Stearic acid helps to coat the hair shaft, which makes the hair conditioned and gives protection without making the hair dull or heavy. It helps remove excess sweat and dirt from the hair. It is derived from fat and oils of animals and plants. I hope this video was helpful to you.